Here I have Motorola Moto G82, and today I'm going to show you how to set up custom notification sound on this device. So firstly, let's open settings. Firstly you have to not open settings, firstly you have to download this custom notification sound which you like. Then open settings, go to the sound and vibration, then go to the default notification sound, tap add notification, then go by default you will be opened in this recent section. You have to tap here, go to downloads, or I don't know where you have your audio files. I have it in downloads. Select your notification sound, and as you can see here I have my new sound added, and now I have my new custom notification sound. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.